This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by working on damp hair so products spread evenly. Apply a root-lifting mousse or spray close to the scalp and distribute with fingers. Once applied, create a central triangular section at the crown and secure the rest away. Use a fine-tooth comb to gently lift roots and roughen the base where volume matters most. This sets a structural foundation for styling because lifted roots hold air and shape, so make sure product concentration stays at the roots rather than the end. Once the roots are prepped, you dry with a round brush, aiming heat directly at the root area while lifting upward. This converts product into a firm base. Make sure to keep the brush tension moderate and rotate sections for consistent height. After each section, hit it with a cool shot for 3 to 5 seconds to lock the shape. If you need extra hold, backcomb small root sections lightly, but do it sparingly to avoid damage. Smooth the top layer afterward so it looks polished. You finish by applying a light hold hairspray concentrated at the roots while lifting sections so product settles under the hair, not on top. Once set, shape with fingers or a paddle brush to blend teased areas into a natural silhouette. If you notice flat spots, mist the roots lightly to reactivate product and re-blow dry while lifting. This revives volume without a full restyle. For persistent limpness, check product buildup or hair damage, and switch to a lighter formula to restore lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.